Welcome fans to another unboxing and review from the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. Number 15 of 15 in the Epic Editions, and we have Overkill Evolution. And it says 2018 new look. Overkill Evolution though has never been released in the Monster Jam series from Hot Wheels. Now, the last time I uploaded a video to my channel was on June the 1st, so it's been over a month since I uploaded an unboxing video. So this was something new. This is from Mix H or Case H. I found this at Target. It is also going to be in Case J, or they call it Mix J. Hopefully I'll find the two new Hot Wheel trucks as well. So here it is, the new Hot Wheels Epic Editions truck that was revealed at the World Finals. And then Creatures of Cyborg Shock. Then there's Spider-Man and Toy Favorites, Iron Man and Toy Favorites, Captain America and Toy Favorites, Overkill Evolution again, which we're gonna unbox here, and NEA Police and Toy Favorites. It's always fun to get a new truck. And the recrushable car is the orange one that looks like a crushed station wagon. And here comes Overkill Evolution into the stadium. And this one looks very nice. Here we go, close shot of Overkill Evolution. It says One Up Off-Road. They have the Monster Jam logo on there, the new one looking. Now, the head of, I'm just gonna call it an alien. It is cut off because of how they made the truck. Truck should have been an extended cab instead of just like a two-seater. Here we go. The purple wheels look very good, I think, with the paint scheme. So Overkill Evolution is a Ford, and then there up top of the hood is the alien face, Overkill Evolution, with some scheme of some fire, maybe. Around to the other side, it does have the BKT tires, Hot Wheel tires. I was excited to be able to find this at Target. I was hoping to find the two Hot Wheels versions from the World Finals, but they didn't have them. Truck toys, or truck toys with a 4 and a Z. I was trying to look up what that might be, but I did, and it seemed like it was some kind of parts for a real truck. But there we have it, Overkill Evolution. And on the roof, it says Smile More. So that does it for Overkill Evolution. I'm going to be doing more unboxing videos here in 2018 of the Monster Jam series as soon as I get the trucks. Thanks for tuning in.